So to be able to get paid repeatedly from Google News, the first website that you need to visit is Google Trends. So head over to Google, type in Google Trends, and you want to enter. Usually it's going to be the first website that pops up. Just click on the first one. Once you're in Google Trends, you need to find the topics that are trending. You're going to see why in just a second. So to do that, click here on Trending Now at the top of the Google Trends website. And now we're going to be faced with several topics that are in high demand right now. And what I want you to do here is to find one of these topics that interests you and save the keywords like Pat Robertson, right? Just save his name somewhere. Now that we have our topic, let's go back to google.com. Now here, just type in Google News, and you want to also enter the first website that is going to pop up on the Google search. Now what you're seeing here is the legit Google News website. And I also know what you're thinking. How are you going to get paid by browsing a news website? So pay close attention. To be able to do that, you're going to be focused on the good stuff here on Google News. And the good stuff is business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. Let's say you wanted to go for Pat Robertson, just copy his name and you want to paste it here on the topics. And once you hit enter, just focus on one of these news that catches your eye, for example, this one. And I'm actually going to go back to technology and I'm going to choose, and for this instance, I'm actually going to use some Apple news of the Apple Vision Pro, which is a new product that just came out. It's not even out yet, to be honest. And I'm going to use this topic right here. You can use the Pat Robertson if you want to. Now, before we proceed, if you want to learn how to make money online, I highly suggest that you subscribe to the channel because I post 2 to 3 videos every single week, step by step, teaching you how you can make money online. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's continue. Now, what you're going to be doing is copying and pasting the entire process. So I want you to copy all of the text, but not the images here in this news. And I'm going to put it all in a Google Doc so I don't lose it. Okay, so you can see I copied the entire article, but I did not copy these things or even the images. Don't worry, it's okay. So we can't just use that article as it is because we would run into copyright issues with the law. So we need to rewrite the entire article. And to do that, let's copy and paste our article into Chatgpt so it can do it for us. And I gave Chatgpt the command to, I want you to completely rewrite and rephrase the following article for me and write it in a persuasive tone, also excited. Now I'm just gonna hit enter and let's just give Chatgpt a few seconds for it to write the entire article for us. Now this is a completely new article. If you're wondering about copyright issues, Chatgpt has just rewritten everything for us. Just like when you come to Google News here and you see the same news from the New York Times, Wired, The Verge, several different media outlets, they only rewrite the articles with the same topic. This is exactly what we're doing. Now, if you drop the article in a character counter, you're going to notice that our article now has 524 words. And the way that I'm going to teach you right now, you're going to get paid $1 per word that you type. So this article alone would already net you $524. And like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, if you end up going with the trending topics from Google Trends, you have a higher chance of getting published. And when you do, you actually get paid $2 per word that you type. So this article here would already net you $1,048. This is exactly the reason why my student Carmela was able to make $10,000 from Sierra Club, which is one of the websites you're going to be seeing in this video, by sending them just a few articles about BlackRock, which was a trending topic on Google Trends. As you can see, this is her testimonial on the screen. And like you just saw, these articles can have thousands of words, so we're talking some serious cash here. So let me go ahead and show you how you're going to be getting paid. To get paid, you need to submit your newly written article to these websites by sending them an email or by simply filling out the forms on their websites. Personally, I prefer to send the email since it's a lot easier, but you can fill out the form in the websites if you want to. Now, here are a few options of websites that you can send your emails to. And before we proceed, if you're looking to build an online business that you can operate from any country in the world, from the comfort of your home, I highly suggest that you check out Pro University, which is my online learning program. You can check it out by clicking the link in the description or the card above me right now. Now, the first website is Eating Well. They also pay $1 per word, and if they end up printing your article, they will pay you $2 per word. The second website is the website that Carmela used to be able to make $10,000 from her BlackRock article. Now, to send them your email, I will include a template for you so you can just copy and paste some stuff. The email that you're going to be sending it to is this email right here, julia.westbrook@eatingwell.com. Don't worry, the email will also be in a text file down in the description. And along with that is my $50 giveaway that I do here on the channel every single Friday. I give away $50 for free. If you want to sign up to win that, just use the link in the description which says subscriber fund. And if you want to get 12 free stocks from Webull, go ahead and sign up to their app for free and make an initial deposit of at least $1. They'll grant you with 12 free stocks valued anywhere up to $30,600. Now, after you enter in their email, all you need to type in is the subject content submission like this. Now you want to pitch them your article. Now, to be able to create your template in real time, check this out. I asked Chatgpt to create a pitch for this article to the website Eating Well, and I also asked it to create the email pitching the article for me. Now, in just a couple of seconds, Chatgpt was able to do this very successfully. So I'm just going to copy this entire thing. I'm going to go back to the email that I was writing, and I'm just going to copy my email here. Now, all we need to do is just change the editor's name to Julia or Eating Well, and we need to scroll down to the bottom of the email, and you need to put in your name and your contact information. That's what I'm going to do right now. And I'm also going to go ahead and send this email. Who knows, I'll get accepted. So just click here on send, and then you want to send them your email. I have also included 175 websites that pay at least $1 per word that you type, and it will be in this Google document available in the description of this video. And the second website that we're going to be seeing today is AARP, and for you to be able to submit the article to them, just use this email right here. And if you want to fill in their form, you can simply use the link that I left for you in the Google Doc to go straight to their form. But I recommend that you just stick to sending them the email using the information here in the Google Doc. Now, to get paid, let's say that you submitted your article to Eating Well. If they like your article, they're going to email you back asking for your payment details. And that's where you can tell them if you want to get paid by bank transfer, PayPal, Payoneer, whatever method that you prefer. Once they accept your article, 700 words will get you $700. And if you use the trending topic like I taught you before, then they will pay you $2 per article, and that will lead to $1,400 per article that you submit. So make sure to be submitting trending topics just like Carmela did to have the most chances of being printed on a magazine. Now, you don't have to limit yourself to Sierra Club or Eating Well. You can literally submit your articles to several websites, and that's why I gave you so many websites in this Google document. Now, I'm going to quickly show you two more places that have a high acceptance rate. The first one is AARP, and the second one, which is also included in this Google Doc, is this Upwork Writing Jobs Finder. If you check out Upwork, you can see that they have 2,612 blog writing jobs posted here for you to be able to write and make money with. So you can submit your articles to these guys as well. And now for the skeptics out there that think that you cannot get paid $1 per word that you type, if you do a simple Google search, you're going to see that people get paid from 0.01 cents per word to $2 per word that they type. And I can guarantee you that here in California, people get paid a lot more than that. So this is not some illegal scheme. This is an actual writing job that you're learning how to do. Now, if you want to make the most out of this method, combine it with the Google Translate method to make up to $845.40 per day by clicking here. See you there. Work hard, play harder.